Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Professional Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is the show where you sit there and I do my noodle stuff and my face gets hot. So, what do we have today? Well, we've got this. This is Paldo Teumsae Jjajang Korean spicy ramen. So, I've got a prepared plate of this. I want to first thank B&B Global for sending this over. That was really cool. Yeah, thank you. And here is what we got. And this looks pretty good. Alright, and today I'm joined by my children. This is
Miles.
And this is
Mimi.
And they are going to do the count for me to start this viciously spicy sounding thing.
What's spicy, Papa?
You want to try it? It's spicy.
I don't. It's too spicy for me.
All right.
I don't like spicy.
Yeah, well, can I get a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
Initially, I'm getting a sweetness. It's very saucy. There's a lot of sauce going on. Yeah, this stuff is pretty spicy. It's not nuclear spicy. It does have a very nice flavor. Yeah, this is a lot less spicy than I really expected. I'm not finding myself running for the hills. It does have nice vegetable. It does have nice stuff going on with it. It is pretty messy. I will say that. It's like tons and tons of sauce. I mean, tons and tons. But it's very sweet, and I wish it was more savory than sweet. I wish it had more just straight black bean taste to it, because I really like their other one. But it's good. It's really good. I think we have some textured vegetable protein bits in here to give it that kind of meat thing. I think we got peas. A little potato. Done. That one wasn't the spiciest I've ever had, that's for sure, but I do have the heat around my lips and my mouth is kind of burning a little bit, but it's good. It's good. It's nice. It's really nice. The amount of meaty bits and vegetable that's in with that thick sauce, it really works quite well. So I would definitely give it a try. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.